Hey guys, Deathscyp here from Y.C.G, your casual gamer. In the following few episodes, we're going to be working on those two light blueprints over here. There's going to be two conditions, the first one being on only, and the second one, when you activate the switch over here, they're going to become in alarm state. Now, as much as I would like to get credits for all that you see over here, I've actually migrated a few things from the blueprint showcase in Unreal Engine 4, like you see over here. You can learn a lot from this blueprint showcase just by getting the blueprints, and you can get bits of the blueprints inside your project. And if you don't know how to do so, this episode is going to be about migrating stuff from a project to another one. So stay tuned. Alright, so hopefully you're inside the blueprint showcase from Unreal Engine 4 or the project you want to migrate stuff from one to another. Now, two things you have to watch, about three things. The first thing is make sure that the engine versions of the both project is the same, or else when you migrate you might get an error or even it might not work. It might be fixed in the future updates. I don't know which engine you have, but in my current version, sometimes I get problems. Second thing is, make sure your other project is closed. I've seen videos where the migration would work when the other project is on. It's not the case with my engine version as well. So, and the last thing is, make sure to, whenever you migrate something to your project, to another project, it has to go inside the content browser. It won't work if you put it anywhere else. Alright, so be mindful of those three key rules. Now what I want is this blueprint over here. So it's the BP security flashing alarm that you see right over here. So I'm going to right click over here, go inside the asset, migrate. This is going to tell me everything that's going to be migrated to the other project. It even says on the top, asset will be migrated to another content folder. So when I press OK, I'm going to go find my project that's over here. So normally it's inside documents, Unreal projects. Then you're going to have all your projects over here, and mine is going to be Deathscyp Factory 14 content browser. And once you have the folder content, you press OK. Now I said yes to all because I already did that before. And then you're going to get the migration complete successfully. Now I'm just going to open my project. I'm going to cut the video for this part just so that it is faster for you guys. But go ahead and open your project. So here we go. Now I'm back inside my project. Inside the asset now, well, now I have a new folder that's called asset. And if I click in there, I'm going to have the material. I'm going to have the blueprint that we wanted over here that I can just drag inside my level. And it's going to work exactly how the other one worked before. So hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. And in the following episode, now we're going to be working on the procedure for the light. We're going to build our light blueprint. So have a good day. See you next time.